Hello, I'm headed to the airport to go home for Christmas. I still have 6 hours before my flight, but I'm gonna leave super early because it takes 1 year to book a Grab. I'm not really in a hurry, but gusto ko matry yung mga TikToker na nagmamadali sa TikTok, like Get Ready With Me. This is also my Makeup Wrap 2022, which basically are my favorite makeup products for the whole year. Starting with the Get Ready With Me Glow Booster. I can't stress how much I love this, especially because I'm a sucker for glowy makeup. I'm gonna be a bit biased. I just used this yesterday, but I knew already I'm gonna fall in love with this. I mean, that's a quick time to fall in love, right? But this is just so good. This is from Maybelline. This is similar to the Charlotte Tilbury and I like because it sets the whole tone of my face. The base is still Easy & Co alongside with Vice Cosmetics and the Maybelline Skin Tint. But today I really want to try this Fresh Filter Foundation from Detail Cosmetics. This is so lightweight on the skin and Miss Nate and Lurge have been recommending it to me because it's okay daw for men's makeup because it doesn't have much coverage, which I believe. My skin looks so yummy right now. Miss Nate's recommendation never fails. For concealer, it's still Easy & Co for me because it's so hydrating and it doesn't crack under my eye. I'm going to let it sit for a while first while I'm doing my brows. For brows, this Maybelline Tattoo Brow Pencil. I mean, look at that. It's almost done. So what I do is just fill in the sparse areas, especially on the outer corner. For contour and bronzing, this is still the top tier for me. Vice Cosmetics in Achieve. I've been trying several ones from different brands, but I keep coming back for this. For liquid blush, it's gonna be Pudding from Get Ready With Me. Konti lang sa high points of my cheeks. For powder, it's gonna be Get Ready With Me Nutmeg and Easy & Co in Hazel, but today I'm gonna use a different one. It's the one size translucent powder because it's lightweight on the skin. I probably used this only once, but it's so nice. It's like similar to Laura Mercier. And I'm setting here lang. Or maybe all over the face because this is translucent naman, so it doesn't add up much coverage. But as you can see, the sheen is still peeking through. For setting spray, it would be MAC Fix Plus and Get Ready With Me, but I hope that Get Ready With Me comes up with a dewy finish na setting spray. What I do is set it with both. Bronzer naman, I hit Pana. This is the NARS Laguna. It's the smaller version. I'm gonna buy a bigger version next year. Especially focus that on the forehead because my forehead is darker than the rest of my face. Also trying out this MAC Studio Fix NC45 as my bronzer. For the lips, it's Margarita from Get Ready With Me and Lip Muse Bunny from Plush Flame. This has natural finish and super lightweight on the lips. For highlighter naman, I know this is an illuminator from Easy & Co in Flare, but I like using this as a highlighter. That's my Makeup Wrap 2022. Some pahabol na favorites. Hi guys, love you. Enjoy the holiday. Happy New Year, everyone! Merry Christmas pa pala.